Hey there, Crunchy Fat Clean friends. Here are 5 things that you should have if you're starting or if you have a cleaning business. Number 1, liability insurance. Absolutely must and should have liability insurance. So reach out to your insurance agent and find out if they offer that for your cleaning business. Number 2, an apron and comfortable sneakers or Croc type shoes. Shoes that are durable and have good traction, and an apron so you can keep all your stuff in it, and it makes cleaning faster and easier. And that's just some things that you should have for part of your uniform. Number 3, your state and federal background clearances and child abuse clearances. I personally think those are great things to have if you own a cleaning business. Whether you work by yourself or if you have employees, you should definitely get those clearances so that you can show your clients that you are trustworthy and you have a clean record. Number 4, a happy and professional disposition. Nobody wants a moody person in their house or in their office. You should be professional, kind, and courteous to your clients. And number 5, professional cleaning products. DIY sprays are good to have at home. They're great. Some of your clients may like them. But if you're cleaning an office, you definitely should have professional cleaning products that are from companies that can provide the SDS for you so that you know what is in the products that you're using should your client require to see them.
Hey, Crunchy Fat Clean friend. Hope you're doing well. If you want to find out all the cool cleaning tools and gadgets and eco-friendly and minimal waste and organizing awesome things that I love to use in my home and my cleaning business, you can check out my Amazon shop. So go to amazon.com/shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and I have it all organized in folders, and you can see all the cool little gadgets. And I'm also posting lots of Amazon sales and specials. So make sure to subscribe to my Amazon shop, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and you can see all the cool cleaning and organizing things that I love to use. Also, you can check out many of them in action on my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and on TikTok and Instagram, and on Facebook, and on my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.